How to reset PIN code in Messenger. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, launch the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to open the side menu. Once the menu opens, tap the settings icon located at the top of the screen. Here, scroll down and find the privacy and safety option, then tap on it. Within the security section, look for end-to-end encrypted chats and click on it. Now select message storage to access your stored messages settings. From here, select the reset PIN option to begin the reset process. You will be then asked to enter a new PIN. Choose a new PIN that is easy for you to remember but secure enough to protect your chats. Finally, confirm your new PIN by entering it again. By following this step, you have successfully reset your Messenger PIN.